Hi, today we are going to discuss about how to make a Facebook sign up page. To do it, we need to make a database in the phpMyAdmin. So I will open browser and here the link, as you see, http localhost phpMyAdmin, and click enter. Here I will click on SQL and create the database by writing create database with database name Facebook underscore clone. As we are making a clone sign up page, now we will use Facebook clone database name clone, enter. Now we will create table the table name will be users, because the user will enter its own data. ID and auto underscore increment. It will auto increment or increase the value of ID when the user enters its data. Primary key, it will be primary key, like there will be no null value or not, and it will be a uniquely identifier. Primary key, first name varchar variable character into 15. The user can enter 15 characters max. Last name varchar into 15 and close it. Here also a comma, copy it, for first name last name. Here email varchar 100 email password will be 200. Sorry, here password 200. Gender varchar 10, and the date of birth DOB date. It is a built-in function of MySQL. Close it. Now click on the go here. As you see, we have made it. Now it's time to make the sign up page. We will first run our XAMPP. It is already running. If not, here stop. This will be shown like XAMPP will be shown like it to you. So click on the start MySQL and Apache. Now we will open VS Studio. I'll open it, new file, open folder. I will go into the XAMPP. Here I have htdocs, and I will create a new folder, name is Facebook, and select folder. As you see, we have our Facebook folder in our workspace. Now I will create a new file which is signup.html. Click enter. This is the boilerplate of HTML. Doc type HTML head, and here title will be Facebook sign up, head, and auto title we will add style, because we also do some we will also add some CSS language to make it more attractive. Body, Arial, it will add the Arial font which will be shown on our screen. Background will be, color will be hash f0 f5 0 f2 f. It will add the white color. I am going to pause this video and write the whole CSS code so that we save our time, and I will tell the purpose of every line after that. As you see, I have write down the whole CSS code. Now it's time to tell you what the purpose of this code. So from first line, style. This tag allows us to write CSS inside the HTML file. If we can also create another file of css.style, so, but we have added our CS code in the HTML, that is perfect. And body, here body, style apply to the whole web page. It will tell that the whole on the whole web page. Style will be added like the font will be Arial, color will be white, background color, and this it will be in the center. Height will be 100 VH. And now we will have a container styling. It defines the sign up form box, like where the Facebook page, all the credentials of a sign up page will be shown in a page. This will tell that the background color will be white. Padding could be add space inside the box. It will add the space of 20 pixels inside the box. Width, it will add the width, defines the width of sign up form, and the it will order border radius h1. it will tell the logo style of Facebook. H1, so the color will be blue. This and this is the code of, we can also change from here, like you see now. Control, I will do the same, and it will tell that the text will be in the center. Now we have input field styling. This input select, it applies this, it applies styling to input fields and drop down menus. This is the button styling. Button styles, the sign up button will be green. We can also change the color from here, but I will go with the blue, oh sorry, green, and the background color will be white, or text color will be white. Now it's time to write the code in the head that will be shown in our on our index HTML page. Head, body, in the body we will write down the we will write down our code. Div class is equal to container. We have created a class container h1, like heading 1 Facebook. It is closed. Form action, form action is equal to sign up .php. We will create another file which is sign up .php. It will retrieve data from there. Method will be, method is equal to post, and close it. Input type equal to text, is equal to first name, and the placeholder will be placeholder is equal to first name. This will shown in the box, first name. Now we will copy it. First name, here we will add the last name. In the placeholder last name. In this we will add email, here password, which will be shown on our box. Here date, is equal to date, and name is equal to DOB, like date of birth, DOB, and close it. We will delete it. Now we have select name, like some buttons. Select name is equal to gender, we will copy it. Option, will add few options like male, female, other. Now we will add a button, and type is equal to submit, submit. The company sign up, the button close. This is our code of HTML. Let's check it by live server. Open with live server, and you see we have our Facebook name, the first name, last name, email, password. Here we have our date of birth, calendar, and male, female, accept, and the sign up. Now we will create another file, name sign up.php, and click enter. We will write our PHP code. PHP include db.php, we will create another file which is a db.php, dollar sign, first name is equal to dollar sign underscore post, and close it. We will copy it and paste for our here. We will write last name, email, 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 password, password, date of birth, DOB, DOB, here also DOB, and gender, which will also male, female, or anything else. Gender, now it's time to write the SQL query. Dollar sign SQL first name, first name is equal to insert into users, which is the name of our table. First name, last name, email, password, date of birth, and gender. Close it. And the values will be values into we will do it for C, here control V, dollar sign, close it, dollar sign, close it, close it, dollar sign, and close it. Close it. Close the whole query. Now we will make a variable which is the result is equal to my SQLi function underscore query, which will contain two parameters, con, which will connect our MySQL database, and the variable the query, which is this. And close it. Now we will put a condition if dollar sign result statement echo sign up successful. Close it. It will tell if the result is right, then it will show the message sign up successful, otherwise else it will show the message error insert data error. Okay, now we will close our PHP program. As you see, we have created our signup.php, signup.html, and now it's time to make our last, which is db.php, where the data will be stored. First I will tell you what's the purpose of these lines of code. This line starts PHP code execution include db.php. This line loads the database connection file. Without it, PHP would not know how to connect to SQL, MySQL. First name, this dollar sign, first name, it says the first name entered by the user from the HTML form, and dollar sign post is a global PHP variable which is used to collect form data sent using the post method. There is also some few other methods like get or anything else. Same as the last name will also get data from the HTML form. Email will be also be fed from that form. DOB will also be fed by post, and the SQL, this whole query, this line creates a SQL query. The query tells the database insert a new row into the users table. Columns used in that table will be first name, last name, email, password, date of birth, and the gender. And the values will be $connect will make a connection to our SQL, as I have said earlier, and this will below the message that sign up successfully or not. Now we will move towards our db.php. Here we will write the PHP code, PHP $server name is equal to local host, close it, $user name is equal to root, close it, $password is equal to, close it. In XAMPP, the password is empty and the username in maximum cases is the root, and the server name is localhost, as we are using the XAMPP. And the database that we have made in our PHP MyAdmin, here we will write down the name of that database, $database is equal to Facebook underscore colon, the database name, and close it. Now it's time to connect our database, $connect is equal to MySQLi function underscore connect server name. Server name is localhost, and the username is dollar sign root password dollar sign we will write here all these like server name, comma user dollar sign username, comma dollar sign password, and the last one database dollar sign database. Let's close it, and we will put a condition of if statement. If not dollar sign connect, then die and connection failed. Like it will show the message that connection is failed if if the database is not connected successfully. And now close the let's check it. I have also made some changes in our CSS in signup.html, as you see. So the sign up page will be shown like same like the Facebook. Let's move to ours. Here we will write http backslash local host backslash Facebook backslash sign up dot html. Sorry. Here sign up dot php. As you see, we have localhost Facebook signup.html. It will show, or we will do it again. Localhost backslash Facebook backslash signup dot html. Click enter. As you see, we have our create new account here, Facebook, or we can say Facebook logo, Facebook health, connect and share. Here I will write Umair Hamid, date of birth. Here we have calendar, or we can select from here also. I 2006 June 7, and the gender will be male, female, or other, and click sign up. As you see, we have sign up successful. Now we will check in our PHP my admin databases. Here we have our Facebook clone database, and we will check whether it has shared our data or not. Users, which is our table. As you see, we have both Umair Hamid from senior male 2026, and it has saved our password as well as gender, everything that we want to save. I hope you have understand today's lecture. Now you can also check it. CSS is not required. Thank you very much.